Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you a few tips and tricks how we can make money with Ecwid, and that's pretty much it. So let's start. When you would come here to the Ecwid website, this is the first way how we can make money. The first way how we can make money is that when you're gonna refer Ecwid to other people who wants to create a store. So it's simple, use your inside expertise to share the benefits of Ecwid powerful, easy to use e-commerce platform with your network, and when they sign up through your link, we'll send you 20% lifetime commission. So that's pretty good. So when someone is going to actually buy the Ecwid as a software, as a tool for their business, for the e-commerce, then you're gonna get 20% of lifetime commission from it. So for as long as they keep their account, you'll continue to earn. This is really good, and one of these kind of affiliates are best in my opinion. I'm in these kind of affiliates too, that when they are going to buy, but when I'm going to have a client, they're my client forever. And that's one of the best things that could happen to you, only because we can't really see it. But personally, when you're gonna write blogs about this kind of affiliates, you're gonna earn a lot of money. Like, trust me, in long term, because everyone thinks in business for half a year. But no one is thinking 5-10 years from now how the online world is going to be big. And I'm preparing for that. Everything I do for the next 4-5 years, 6 years, not for the next half a year. That's how I act. So this is the first way. And how to promote it? Make content, Ecwid review, then also write blogs. Ecwid versus Shopify, Ecwid reviews on blogs. Write the tips and tricks what you can do with the Ecwid. And that way you can really be effective and you really earn a lot of money. So that's the first way how we can make money with Ecwid. The second way how we can make money is when you're gonna use the application and use the really good things, really good tools. Let me just show you. So what I recommend you to do is when you're an actual seller, this is for sellers. If you want to, you should definitely get apps which are going to give you easy pop-ups, header bar, page builder, notifications box, showcase slider box. It's called the Zota box, and this app is really effective. The reviews are good too. You can have also the countdown here, and that's pretty effective. I recommend also checking other applications here that you can use for boosting your business, and then actually just A/B testing everything. That's the best thing you can do. Just A/B test everything, and that way it's going to work, some of them. But you need to get some way how you can get more clients on your website, potential customers. So okay, understandable, you need to create a pretty website. We all get it. Make it simple so other people can actually come and buy your product. It's much easier to create and sell products which are going to be digital, comparing to creating products which are going to be physical. But if you have a physical product, okay, you're gonna build a website. There are actually two ways how we can, multiple ways. So the first way is just writing about your competition. Like, who is your competition? Write it down in Excel. Then you need to do one thing, that you start writing blogs by yourself about your tools, about your store, and also about your products, if they are digital or physical. And then what you want to do is just simply also use Instagram, but I don't really focus on what is going to earn you money. Many people, what they do, I'm going to use the paint for this. What they do, you got the Parrot rule. 80% of their time they are focusing on things that don't matter. So they come and they just focus literally on the things that don't earn money. Why would you do that? Creating Instagram story for 3 hours, creating what kind of things I could add to my website for no reason. And then they're not going to increase in revenue. What you need to do is to focus on those 20% which are actually earning you money. But what you want to do is to actually make it 80%. So 80% of your time needs to be focused on things that's going to earn you money. Scaling Facebook ads, scaling Google ads. That's the first thing. Writing blogs, getting your name out there, using even Clubhouse for promoting your digital products. I don't know what you sell, but this is the best way how we can do it. And those 20% needs to go to administrations, everything else, like about I don't know, talking with accounting, or even, I don't want to say customer support because customer support is part of business. I would just outsource it to someone else. But 20% needs to go to things like with orders, also with Instagram stories, with the branding. Like everyone is focusing so hard on branding, but what if the branding is not going to earn you the money? What if the actually ads are going to earn you money? You should focus on that. Try to scale also the Snapchat, the TikTok. It depends. Where is your audience? Figure it out that. So figure it out. Where is your audience? When you're going to get this, just try to find a way then how we can target them. So again, I come here. First thing first. Where is my audience? Ask yourself that. Who is my audience? Try to actually get into their minds. So you're going to see that, okay, my audience are 15, 20 years old guys or girls, and they are spending time on TikTok. So, okay, what is the way? How can I sell them my product without being pushy and I know they're going to buy it? And just imagine, what do people would like to see? Not what do you like to see, but what do people would like to see? And try to focus on it and try to create that. And goddamn, it will work. It always works. Like in my eyes, it's so simple. So I see that, okay, we have the audience, then I'm going to find where they are spending most of the time. So let's say YouTube. And then I would find a proper way how I can target them. And just test and learn. And this is, you need to test this all the time. And one thing is going to work. And the one thing that is going to work, you need to double down on it. And just really focus heavily on it, right? And this is pretty much it, how we make money. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. So I was working a lot with e-commerce stores, and this is the best way, in my opinion, what you can actually do and how we can achieve all of the greatness, as they say, you know? So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. To summarize this whole video, as I mentioned, the best way is like going with affiliate with Ecwid. But if you're actually a seller, if you're someone who wants to make money with e-commerce, with digital products or physically, it doesn't matter. First thing first, focus on what actually works and how we can earn money and how we can get the cash flow rolling in. And when you're gonna do it, then you just focus on when you're gonna earn money, focus on scaling it hard, and go even further, go even deeper with those Facebook ads, target more, invest more. So that's pretty much it. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, goodbye. See ya.